If you have been struggling with sharp yogurt, this video is for you. Let me show you how I made this smooth and sweet version from scratch. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I used unbranded milk. I used 4 cups. You can use any full cream milk. Next, I'll be going in with my milk. I used 4 cups of milk. So each cup of milk, you'll be adding 2 cups of water. So like this, I used 4 cups. I'm going to be using 8 cups of hot water, very, very hot boiling water. Yes, I used 8 cups. The cup I use is this one a baker has used. You can buy it at any cake shop around you or in the market. Just tell them to give you a measuring cup. Next, you're going to be using our mixer to mix it properly. Please stir it properly. If you want your yogurt to come out smooth, you have to stir it properly. Then leave it to cool down a bit. Next, we're going to be doing the 10-second test. You dip your finger inside the yogurt. If you don't get burnt, you will now add your culture. But if you get burnt, you just leave it and allow it to cool down. Next, we're going to be removing all the fat that have gathered on top of the yogurt, as you can see. Next, we're going to be sieving the yogurt just to make sure there's no lumps inside. It's time to add our culture. Please, we are not adding it direct to the yogurt. We are going to pour out small and mix it. I use the yogurt starter. You can get this at any cake shop, anywhere they're selling cake things. You can get it there. You can also use yogurt that has live culture inside. Please make sure your milk is not cold, though. Let it just be warm. You get it. Then after mixing it, you now introduce it to the main one. And cover properly. I'll be covering it with wrap. I used to. If you have thick towel, you can use thick towel for it. We are covering it like this because it has to be in a warm environment. You can also use towel and cover it properly, then put it in a nylon bag and put it in your cooler. But me, I'm going to put it in my oven. Please note that the oven, I will not on it though. Now it will stay here for 10 hours. After 10 hours, you're going to be bringing it out. Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. See, our creamy yogurt is giving 100 minus nothing. Like, this yogurt is so good. It tasted so good. Now, after this process, if you want it like normal yogurt, you can whisk everything and put it in your bottle. But if you want it thick, very, very thick, the one you can use and do parfait. Now, this is where this one comes in. You put it in your cheesecloth and tie it and put it in your fridge so the water can drain. Just tie it like this, put it in your fridge, and you can leave it for 1 hour. but I just left it for about 30 minutes because I needed to complete this video, so I did not have that time to waste. Just leave it for 1 hour. After leaving it for some time, this was what we got. Now this water is called whey. You can use it for your pancakes and other things. It's actually very nice. Now because I want my yogurt to be sweet, I want it sweetened, I'm going to be adding sugar to it. Also, if your yogurt has this sour taste like it is slap, please add little honey and vanilla extract. It will help calm it down. It will calm the tangy taste and makes it sweeter for you and even smoother. Thank me later for this update. Please stir it very well and store it in your fridge. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Share this video to a yogurt lover. Thank you.